Hello everyone, welcome. I'm the Rise and Grind Picker, and I have a YouTube channel where I show you how to sell online, eBay and Amazon and other platforms as well. Listen, enough about that. You're probably here because you've seen my title, and you're probably either wondering why someone would get suspended on eBay, or maybe you've seen a YouTube video where YouTubers or a YouTube video was done by someone randomly saying they got suspended on eBay. I don't know, but I'm going to explain some of the common ways that people get suspended on eBay and how to avoid them or combat them. So the most common suspensions are from actually newer sellers either not shipping their products on time, or maybe not giving good customer service, maybe getting rude with the customer. There's a lot of different ways you can get suspended on eBay, but I'd say the most common is not shipping on time and or just not shipping the products at all. Maybe a seller's not paying attention to their account, they're on vacation, and then eBay could suspend your account, and then you would actually have to wait until all the items get delivered for them to actually open your account back up to sell. Those are really common cases. Now we can get into some more of the advanced cases on why eBay would suspend your account or maybe potentially ask you for invoices. Now, if eBay asks you for invoices for items, that means one or two things: that you're either doing a ton of volume or you are doing a ton of high-end items. We're talking about maybe super high-end Rolexes, super high-end shoes, super high-end, sneakers, stuff like that. Now, if eBay asks you for an invoice for these items and you don't have it, this is why they're going to suspend your account. eBay is actually trying to mitigate the risk because they don't want to risk kind of getting hosed with the bill. So when you're dealing with really high-end items, you need to make sure you need to have what's called a chain of custody if you're going to sell them on eBay or run them through eBay Authenticate or anything like that. And what a chain of custody is basically you have an invoice from a supplier or a person who is a verified supplier. And there's three types of markets that, things are sold in, and that's the black market, the gray market, and, the market where you can kind of prove where your stuff comes from. Obviously, if you're going to yard sales and stuff like that, that's used items, okay? And most of even $200-$300 items, there's no issue because they are used items. But with really high-end collectibles, like some sneakers can go for hundreds of thousands of dollars, you need to really have what's called a chain of custody. And what a gray market item is where maybe someone passes away and they have a huge sneaker collection that no one can verify. Maybe they don't have any place where they bought the items from. That's more of a gray market area where people buy from people who knows people who knows people who knows people. Those are gray market items. Black market is just straight, usually stolen goods, or just, you can only imagine, which as a reseller, we do not go towards the black market, or we shouldn't. The gray market, everybody's kind of bought those types of items, but now it's, getting a lot riskier because eBay is unfortunately cracking down. So personally, I have almost 4,800 items in my eBay store, and I personally sell a ton of used items, records, all sorts of stuff, but a ton of clothing. And I sell a lot of new clothing. Now, I have a supplier for my clothing, and I have all the invoices and stuff like that. So I can prove that I actually purchased that clothing through a supplier, and that is a chain of custody, because if eBay wanted to reach out to them, well, then that supplier could show them where they bought it from. And that's how you keep the chain of custody on the items that you sell either on eBay or Amazon. Now, I am saying if I found a pair of, $20 or even $10,000 or even $5,000 shoes at a yard sale, yeah, I'm going to sell them, but I'm probably not going to sell them on eBay. I'm going to actually probably send them to The RealReal, or if they don't want to accept them, I'm going to probably put them on StockX. Typically for very large bulk purchases, which I make a lot of, I just actually have a receipt book and I write the person I'm buying from a receipt, have them sign it, and then I just take it with me. That way I at least have something for taxes, and it's a handwritten receipt. So, but if you're doing tons of volume and you're looking to scale your eBay or Amazon business up, then you will definitely need a chain of custody on a lot of your items. Not to say you can't sell the records and the cassettes. You can still sell those. And I'm talking about high-end items. Like I do have in my eBay store some Supreme stuff, but I have a chain of custody on it, which it came from a supplier. I have Supreme stuff. I have, really high-end women's clothing, and I have a chain of custody on all that stuff. Free People, I have a lot of that stuff. But the other stuff you don't really have to worry about because it's mainly used one-off items. That's the complete difference. Is eBay has a lot more risk if you have a store with just high-end items versus just a mixture. This is a really short video that I wanted to help you stay informed. Stay in tune for more content, and please like, share, and subscribe because we are going to be coming at you with some great content this year, and I appreciate it, and thank you.